Imagine this. You land in a new country. The airport is buzzing. Signs are in English. People are speaking fast. You want to ask for help, order food, or simply say hello. But you freeze. Does this sound familiar? In this video, I'll show you how to speak English confidently on your next vacation. You'll learn how to build confidence, use simple repeatable phrases, and improvise conversations easily. No matter where you go, you'll be able to communicate better and enjoy your travel more. Let's begin your English confidence journey. Part 1. Learn the travel mindset. First, relax. You don't need to be perfect. You only need to be understood. Speaking English while traveling is about connection, not perfection. Think of English as a tool, not a test. Keep smiling, keep trying, and keep practicing. Now let's go for practice. Repeat after me. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to be clear. I can speak English while traveling. Mistakes are okay. I will try my best every day. Wow, you are doing great. Now let's go to Part 2. Common travel phrases. Here are useful phrases you can use in any country. These are simple and powerful. Repeat after me. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for a taxi. Where is the bus stop? Can you show me on the map? How much is the ticket? What time does it leave? Can I pay with a card? Where can I eat nearby? I don't speak English well. Please speak slowly. Practice these phrases before your trip. Say them loudly. Say them confidently. Part 3. Improvising conversations. What if you forget a word? Don't stop. Use simple words, gestures, and description. Example. You want to ask for an umbrella but forgot the word. You can say, I need something for rain. Repeat after me. I need something for rain. It's something you use when it rains. Do you understand? I'm sorry, I forgot the word. Let me show you. Use your hands. Use your phone. Use your confidence. Improvising is a superpower. Part 4. At the hotel. Hotels are common places to speak English. Repeat after me. I have a reservation. Can I check in? What time is breakfast? Can I get a wake up call? Where is my room? I need more towels. Can I have room service? Thank you for your help. Use these phrases at the hotel. Practice them now. Part 5. At restaurants and cafes. Food is a big part of travel. Let's practice English for ordering food. Repeat after me. I'd like to order, please. What do you recommend? Is this dish spicy? Can I see the menu? I'll have this one. I am vegetarian. Can I get the bill? The food was delicious. Now you're ready to enjoy eating out on vacation. Part 6. Asking for directions. Lost? Don't panic. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the museum? How do I get to the market? Is it far from here? Can I walk there? Is there a bus? Which direction should I go? Thank you so much. Keep your sentences short. Add gestures if needed. Most people are happy to help tourists. Part 7. Talking to locals. Try small conversations with locals. Say hello. Compliment something. Ask a small question. Repeat after me. Hi, how are you? I'm from India. Your country is beautiful. This place is amazing. What is this festival about? Can I take a photo here? It's nice to meet you. Small talk builds confidence. Start small, grow big. Part 8. Final motivation or practice. Now you've learned how to build English confidence on vacation. Remember, repeat after me. I can speak English with confidence. I'm not afraid to make mistakes. I will practice every day. I will enjoy my vacation. I am improving my English. I'm proud of myself. I will keep learning with easy English daily. Take one phrase each day and practice it. In front of a mirror, with a friend, or by talking to yourself. Speaking English is a journey, and you are already working on it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English every day. Let's travel the world with English confidence.